Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to unswipe someone on Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Then on your screen, you can see there are options like live, chat, activity, friends, and swipe. On the swipe, you can swipe right or swipe left on people. When you swipe right, you're gonna accept them. Then, to unswipe that, you can see a blue reverse button. Tap on it and buy the power pack where you're gonna get free powers every week, unlimited reverse swipes, etc. There are no free reverse swipes, so you have to buy this power pack and unswipe someone on Yubo. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.